Hey guys, it's Tammy with nursing.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a study plan using your course syllabus inside of your nursing.com account. If you are on your dashboard, go ahead and scroll all the way down till you find the green tab. Click on that, and this will take you to the study plan page. You want to give your study plan a name. You can name it whatever you'd like. Let's just go ahead and name this one cardiac. You can set a due date if you have a test coming up. You can go ahead and do that. You don't have to. It's up to you. Now, these different search functions is what I absolutely love inside of here. This first one's going to be specific words. So let's just say you're looking for lessons on angina. Go ahead and type in angina. And it'll pull up a bunch of different lessons. These are going to be results that talk about or mention angina, so they might not be beneficial for you for what you're talking about in class. You can just scroll through here and select the ones that are. Now, if you want to narrow this search down for just cardiac lessons, come in here to the by course, and this is going to be nursing.com courses. Scroll down until you find the cardiac course. Click on the cardiac course, and now you're just going to have lessons that are talk about angina that are in the cardiac course. So now you can go ahead and pull those lessons over. Now, when you start a new search, you can want to make sure that you clear out all the fields. That way you can get fresh results. Now, let's go ahead and stick with the course tab. We'll just keep it on the cardiac course. When you select the course, it'll pop down with different modules. So now you can select different modules. So if you want to have lessons on shock, go ahead and hit shock. And now you're going to have all of the lessons on shock. Go ahead and pull those over. Now let's go ahead and clear out our field. And let's say you're in a concept-based program. Now, if you are, you will know. But you can search by concept. So let's just say you're wanting the concept of clotting. You see it'll pull up all of the lessons on clotting. Now, this is probably one of my favorite searches inside of nursing.com, and that is by book. If you are using one of the books that we have in here, let's just go ahead and say you are using the Fundamentals Taylor book. Select that book, and once you do so, it'll pop up with all chapters. Now, what you're going to want to do is select the chapters that you're studying in class. So let's say you have a reading assignment for chapter 4. Select chapter 4, and then the lessons that we have inside of nursing.com will pull up. And now you can pull those over. Now, if you don't want to use any of these search functions and you just want to use one of our pre-made study plans, that's totally fine. Come in here, select the pre-made study plan that you are interested in. Let's just go ahead and hit cardiac. And all of the lessons will automatically populate to your selected lessons. Let's go ahead and hit Save Study Plan. And this will take you back to your dashboard. Your study plan has been created successfully. And now you can go ahead and click on the cardiac tab or any lesson, and it will take you to the lesson page. Go ahead and start watching your lessons, and you can just scroll through all of the lessons inside of your study plan. I hope this helps. Please reach out if you have any questions, and we will help you get started.